Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you a really cool pattern using square knots where we will make a chain of circles. Our first step is to make a square knot using the 4 ropes in the middle. Now we will tie another square knot around the 2 strings in the middle, this time using a string on both sides of our previous square knot. We're going to tuck them behind and then form a square knot as usual. Once more, we will tie another square knot around the 2 strings in the middle using the next set of strings. They tuck under and then you form your square knot like before. Now we'll repeat the same process with our square knots, but when we make our next square knot, we're going to leave a little gap underneath, so about a finger's width, and I'll show you. So we take the strings here to form our square knot. Leave a little gap. Pull it tight. And you just want a gap so you have these 2 little wings sort of that form our first circle. And now we are going to take our next 2 strings. Once again, they tuck underneath and then we form a square knot. And that makes our second circle. So now we take the strings on the end, tuck under, and form a square knot. And now, as you can see, we have square knots with circles. So we can repeat this again to make another row of circles. And there you go. That is how we make a chain of circles using this really cool square knot pattern. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.